What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Mike's Motorbikes. Today I just wanted to make a quick video of my recently completed project. This is a 1996 Chevy Geo Tracker or Suzuki Sidekick. They come as a two-door convertible or a two-door SUV, or you can get a hard top for them for the convertible, but usually they come with the soft top. Mine was a hard top, as you can see there. And I got sick of the soft top. They always leaked and they rip and they're annoying. They're not good for off-road. And I also got sick of the hard top because it rattled a lot. They don't attach well. They're just not designed well, at least the one I had. So I wanted to do something different. I always liked the look of it being open in the back, and I figured, why not make that permanent? So I went ahead and I made it into a pickup truck. To do this, I cut up the old hard top and I grafted the back window and the back door, I guess you'd call it, the back piece, into this. I fiberglassed it all in. I bolted it in. This is a real glass window. This isn't fiberglass, or sorry, plexiglass. Nice rubber seal. And I made that all one unit. Then I went ahead and I used sheet metal. I'll show you guys the whole bed. And closed this all off. There's absolutely no gaps at all. It's fully sealed. I even used seam sealer. And then this is Hurculiner back here, and the rest of the truck is done in Raptor liner. I know what you're thinking. This is probably the most useless pickup truck in the world. And I do own many other pickup trucks, like this one, or this one, or this one. But why did I do this, you may ask? Mostly just because I was bored. I was bored, and I don't know, I do projects I start a new one every couple weeks, and this was just something I wanted to do for a while, and I figured before the weather gets too cold here in Jersey, I'd tackle this project. Let's go ahead and show you guys the size of the bed. I haven't measured it yet. I'm curious myself. All right, so we got about 2 foot 5 inches, not even 2.5 feet. So this may win the award for the most useless pickup truck bed ever. Obviously, it is very small. And how's that old saying go? It's not about size, it's about how much stuff you could jam in there, or something like that. I think I might have got that wrong, but we're not gonna get into that. Kept the spare tire. I like how that looks, third brake light. And show you guys some more of the truck. Very happy with how this came out. I think I want to either paint the hard top or maybe even make that hard top one piece, because that does rattle too. I don't know, maybe I'll just paint that black or something. But here's the truck, freshly Raptor lined, freshly Hurculined in the back. I actually rolled this on and I'm very happy with how it came out. Nice even texture. And there it is. So I did not take any videos of doing this, but I did take a lot of pictures. So if anyone's interested in how I actually did it, feel free to let me know in the comments. One more thing before we go. So I'm trying to think of a name to call this thing. And I was thinking the Geo Trucker, but unfortunately that name's already been taken by another YouTuber. And that specific truck is all made out of plywood in the back. So I'm not saying mine's better or anything like that, but obviously mine's way better. So maybe I should steal the name out from under him. Or maybe we should try and think of something else. I was thinking maybe just the Geo Truck or the Suzuki Side Truck, or maybe the Pickup Track or Pickup Tracker. I don't know. I like Geo Trucker the best, but if you guys can think of anything clever, let me know in the comments. I want to put a sticker on the back window. And besides that, that's going to be it for today. Here's another view of it. And, like, comment, subscribe. More Suzuki content coming in the near future. And there you go. Have a good one, guys.